Today we're going to take out an Xbox with the 12 gauge slugs. The gun we'll be using is a side-by-side coach gun, and we'll be firing at 50 yards. It's going to be quite a hard target to hit at that range with this gun, with the short sighting plane and just the shotgun bead, no proper sights. But we can improve those odds. We can put 2 down there. Now I'm actually aiming in this region here because this particular gun shoot out to the side of its respective barrels, so if you fire the right hand side, which we are in this case, which is the open choke, it'll shoot a bit to the right. Let's have another go. And again. Now if I'd only put one down there, they all would have hit and it wouldn't have passed one straight through the centre. I'll live and learn. I have some leaded shot here which I'll just fire it off at 50 yards and see what happens. It's a bit far for a shotgun, but what we'll do is use the left side barrel this time, which is the tight choke, and they won't spread out as far. So this time we'll aim to the right. First up's the BBs. So there's 75 BBs in that cartridge, which was 1.5 ounce, and it hit a bit to the left and a bit high. Now we'll fire the SG, which is the largest practical size in the 12 gauge. It's only 9 pellets per shell. It looks like we've got a couple centre of mass hits there. You'll notice the BBs didn't even pass through the plastic at that range, and the SGs didn't even exit. Only the slugs went straight through. Anyway, we'll expel the rest of the shells just into water bottles, and the Xboxes can survive to be shot another day.